Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create famous AI photos and voices. The Famous AI platform is highly regarded for its easy-to-use tools that allow anyone to create professional quality marketing videos and ads using just simple text prompts. With fast rendering and lifelike visuals, it is a top choice for brands that want quick, polished content without needing advanced editing expertise. To get started, open the Famous AI website in your browser. If you would like to create an account, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You can register by entering your name, email address, password, and confirming your password, or simply sign up with Google. To do that, click Sign Up with Google. Now, select your Google account and then click Continue to grant access. Once completed, you will be redirected to your account's home page. Here, you will find a prompt box ready for creating your first project. You can enter the prompt about how you want to generate the image. For example, I have given it a prompt to generate the image of a boy with curly hair running on the roads. Here, hit the arrow icon to send the prompt. It will start processing your prompt. The current Famous AI app is a basic React template using Shatscene UI components, but lacks built-in image generation features. To enable image creation, you need to integrate an AI image generation API, such as OpenAI, DALL-E, Stability AI Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, or Replicate. Then, add a component with a text input for prompts and a button to trigger the API call, displaying the generated image within the interface. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.